By the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got them singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah.
Why is the parking brake stuck?
All the gauges will die. Alright. Update. I have no idea how fast I'm going. Oh yeah, this truck is it's endless.
Feel yourself, not as a stranger.
Ain't nobody sitting back here.
Oh no. No way. There's no way someone would sit back there.
It's not gonna be good with two people, but it's not actually that bad.
No. Doesn't look too bad. That's probably so dangerous. You think about it, you get hit. No, you get hit like T-boned. There's no airbags here or anything. You're probably dead.
Yeah, probably.
Forward. Yeah. Take the jump seats out. Weight reduction.
I'll race you.
You'd win.
I don't know.
Automatic versus manual. Probably have you on that.
Well,
this is heavier.
clutch is shot.
Yeah.
I can brake torque and not spin off. Actually, that might spin. I don't know. Traction
This would
control
probably wheel
doesn't
hop and just grenade the diff. So put it in four wheel. It'll be front wheel drive. Is that how that works?
That's not how it's supposed to work.
Alright. Little update. It is now Saturday evening and the guy brought the replacement mirror and in this box the replacement alternator. So that's good, and then as well coolant because that was low. So we can top it up, replace the alternator, and fix the mirror. We're doing that all tomorrow, which is Sunday, and the truck is gonna be good. Then there's just a few other little things that have to be fixed up, but at least with the new alternator I'll be able to actually drive it around. So now I'm gonna cut to tomorrow for me, when we are actually gonna be taking this apart, or taking the truck apart and replacing this alternator and the mirror. Alright, right now, moving the truck so that way the Jeep can come out and then the Volkswagen in the garage can come out. That way we can pull the truck in because it is raining, and we can swap the alternator inside the garage. Cutting cables with